Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Garg and welcome to my channel Garg Gurukul. And today I'm going to make a video on how to check your results. And basically, everyone knows that they have to go onto the website of AFCAT and they have to check their result. But the thing is, there is an error which comes up that your registration details are not correct or the username password is incorrect. So today we will see how to solve that issue and reset your password. Okay. So first of all, for that, what you have to do is you have to open a notepad. Okay. And write email, phone number, secret question, secret answer. Okay. And then you have to write your email ID over here, phone number over here, which is your registered phone number, secret question over here, and secret answer over here. Why I'm telling you to write is because on typing there might be a mistake on the form. Okay, and for example, your email ID is abc@gmail.com. Okay, so here you will see, that okay, I have typed abc here. We will copy this from here, control C, and we'll paste it over there. Okay, so that there is no mistake at that uh, at the time of filling out the details, because where there we fill the details, there we are not able to find out what is wrong in all these three. It will just say that the entries you have entered are not proper, like that. Okay, so you'll write your email ID, your phone number, your secret question, and secret answer. Now let me tell you one thing. If you don't know your secret answer, then this video will not help. Okay, and no one can help you, because to secret answer is required to reset your password. Okay, without this you will not be able to reset your password. I have told so many times in my previous videos, whenever you are registering for the AFCAT, write down the secret answer somewhere. Okay, and people do write it. Like for example, the secret answer is I would say India. Okay, they have given some secret answer to a secret question as India. Now what they do is they give the secret answer like this, and in the diary they write it like this. But secret answer is case sensitive. That means what is capital should go as capital, what is small should go as small. Okay, so you should give a very as simple as possible, that secret answer, so that there is no combinations which might be following up. For example, one of candidates gave secret answer as where are you born was the question. Okay, where are you born, like that secret question is there, and he gave, for example, uh, New Delhi. Okay, now the thing is, with this New Delhi there are so many combinations which can be done. It can be New Delhi, 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 it can be New Space Delhi. Okay, so a lot of combinations can be formed, and if you don't remember exactly what you have given, then space is there, space is not there, D is capital, E is capital or not there. That if you don't remember, no one will be able to help you. So you should always remember your secret answer. Okay, you should write it down exactly as what you have given. If you don't have the secret answer right now, the only way is to call them, okay, or mail them. Okay, you can raise a complaint also on the CDEC website, AFCAT CDEC. There's a number there, Disha cell number, that you can call or mail them. That is the only way. Apart from that, there is no way to reset your password. Now, coming to the point, if you have your secret answer and you remember it, now let's see how we can reset your password. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to google.com, type AFCAT CDEC, go to the first website, afcat.cdec.in. It will open the website. Now here also candidates do a lot of mistakes. Here there are two candidate login option, AFCAT 2 2021 and 1 2021. So you don't have to click on 1 2021, you have to go for 2 2021. So I'm going on 2021. Okay, now since you have tried over here and it gives your credentials registration details are not correct. So I'm not going over here. Okay, since you have to reset the password. So to reset the password, there is a link as forgot password. So we have to click on forgot password. Now you see it is asking email ID, mobile, secret question, secret answer, and this captcha. Whatever details you have to fill over here. Now, so these things I have told you to write it down over here. Okay, so I'm resetting my password, one of the candidates password. Okay, and I'll show you how the process follows. Okay, so I'll give the email. After I give the email, okay, and if I click on this, it is written initial 4 digits will be auto populated mobile number. Okay, so you will know that this is my registered mobile number, as everyone has multiple mobile numbers. So you will know, okay, this is my registered mobile number. You have to fill the rest digits over here, and I am giving secret question. So the secret question is where were you born? Okay, and I'm giving the answer. Okay, now if this box is green means everything is good. Okay, now coming to captcha over here. Here also you have to make sure that this is capital, this is small, like that. Okay, this is P small, T is capital, C is small, like that we have to follow. If you're not able to clear this thing, you can also change the captcha. For example, you're not able to understand this, you have to click on this reload button. So it will change it so that it becomes easy. But that's fine. Here you're able to see. So here also you can directly type. That's not an issue. Now if I click on submit, you will receive this kind of message that your password is sent to your registered email ID. Go on login page. So now you have to check your email, okay, and you will receive a system generated password. System generated means that will be randomly generated. Okay, you will receive something like this. Okay, that your password is this, your new system generated password is this. Okay, so what you have to do is write this password, okay, because in a notepad plus or somewhere, so that there is no typing mistake. Okay, that is the thing, and you have to give exactly small letter small, capital letter capital. Okay, like this you will receive. Okay, now after that what you have to do is again you have to click on login here. I will click on login here. Now I'll give the email ID. So my email ID I'll give, and here in password I'll give that system generated password. Okay, so whatever system generated password I have received just now, that I will give. Okay, I've copy pasted it. You can type it also, but there are some mistake chances of being like, you know, we can do some mistake. That's why I'm copy pasting it. You can type it also if you're doing it from mobile. I'll just fill this and I'll click on login. Now if the system generated password is correct, then you will get a option to reset your password. Okay, now I will give a new password over here, and the new password should contain one special character, okay, one capital letter, one number, and length should be 8 to 20 characters. Okay, give simple password. Okay, nobody is going to hack your FCAT account. Okay, so if you want to give a complex password, that's fine, you can write it down somewhere, but I would suggest to give a simple password, so that again if you have to log in and if you're forgetting means you can remember. Okay, so I'll give a password for him, give this captcha, and I'll submit it. Okay, after submitting it, your password has been reset. Okay, now here you have to give your new password which you have just reset, okay, on the previous screen. So I will give my email ID. I'll give my new password which I have just reset, okay, not the one which I have received on email. I'll give this captcha and I'll click on login. Now you see with my new password I am able to log in. Okay, and here you can check your result and select your AFSB selection center. So if you have liked the video, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel for all the issues with AFCAT or defense exams, and I keep on bringing different type of videos related to issues which candidates face or which preparation of the defense exam. Thank you so much.